What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mullah. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your HP Deskjet 2852e printer with your Samsung Galaxy. So you can connect the other 2800 versions too. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, power on your printer like this, and then we're gonna wait . So we're gonna click on the E or I, which means it will print the informations about this printer and how we can connect it to Wi-Fi if it's not. So let's go ahead and click on the I button. So as you guys can see, here's all the informations. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and search for this SSID. So that's the SSID, and I'm gonna use this password. So let's go ahead and connect the Android now. So now if I go and print something, let's go and for example print, I'm gonna click on the print icon, and as you guys can see, I can print with no issues. So if you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.